Hello everyone and welcome to the next installment of How To Builds. Today we're going to be building two pieces of rolling stock. Enjoy! We're doing two today because both of these builds are quite simple and you should be able to follow easily. Currently we're building the frames for the 5-plank wagon. All of it is built on its side for a consistent height throughout. Now we're building the undercarriage details. These also allow us to add axle boxes to the wheels. These are my buffer beams. They're identical at either end, and if you use the correct grips, they should align with all your other railway engines and rolling stock as seen in this series. The frames for this open wagon are actually useful for building other rolling stock. I shan't show you any more in this video, but expect more designs soon. We're now working on the main body itself. You can follow my design closely to look accurate, or you can try your own. The jumper plates inside allow you to add crates and other forms of cargo. These can be placed wherever you want on the base. Now that we're finished with the 5-plank open wagon, we'll move on to our next piece. No goods train is complete without a brakevan, crucial for safety, so we're now going to go through the building process of a 20-ton LNER brakevan. We'll start with the roof. It's simple and effective and slots onto the main body. There is no stud attachment to allow easy access to the inside, though you can change this if you wish. Now we're building the main base for the body. The strength of this is what keeps the model together. Now we've added some handrails and are also working on the floor level. There are a lot of plates in the wall in order to accommodate the clips for the handrails. Now we're building the windows. This includes the side windows, which allows the guard to look down the train from inside the safety of his van. Now that the main body is done, we'll move on to the chassis. Very similar in design to the open plank wagon, but longer to accommodate the length of the body. This design also includes brakes. These are very important for a Brakevan. We're also adding footrails, which allows the guard to step up into a Brakevan without the assistance of a platform. We're also adding axle boxes for the wheels and supports for the footrails. Finally, we add the body to the frames and our Brakevan is complete. As of the day of this video's release, I have 2 open plank wagons and 1 Brakevan. They were used in flash photography and looked great alongside my Railway Series Thomas model. I hope they're as useful to you as they were with me. This is Wiley Forrest signing out.